Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by picking the right car and line. Choose a low-weight, high-grip machine to control spin. Once chosen, adjust suspension, stiffen front and slightly soften the rear so the nose bites while the tail rotates. Make sure steering and handbrake controls are mapped for fast inputs. This gives you precise timing. Approach the opening at moderate speed, braking just before the gap, then feather throttle to unload the rear. This setup primes you to thread the needle cleanly and consistently. You commit to the entry by braking late and adding a short, sharp steering flick to pivot the nose. The goal is directional change without wide yaw. Once done, use a quick clutch or handbrake tap to shift weight to the front. Immediately follow with 30 to 50% throttle to bring the rear around. Make sure to counter-steer progressively as the car rotates, because small corrections keep you aligned through the gap rather than overcorrecting and clipping the edges. You finish by smoothly increasing throttle as the car straightens. Do not bury the pedal until the front points cleanly through the opening. If the rear steps out too far, ease off throttle and countersteer to regain control, then reapply gradual power. If you keep clipping obstacles, make 3 adjustments. Reduce entry speed, initiate weight transfer a touch earlier, and try a slightly different camera angle for better depth perception. Practice these tweaks until you can thread the needle reliably under pressure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.